In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Phoenix. If you've received a traffic or parking citation in Phoenix and want the fastest, most secure way to take care of it, the city's official online portal makes the process straightforward. Start by heading to the Phoenix Municipal Court's Violations Payment Options page on phoenix.gov. Using the official site is important because it ensures your payment goes directly to the court and helps you avoid third-party fees or look-alike websites. Once you're on the payment options page, look for the Pay Online button. Click it to open the payment system, then choose the path that applies to you. If your case is not in collections, select the standard online payment option. If you've received a notice that your case has been sent to collections, choose the separate link for cases in collections. That routing matters, because the systems and balances can differ. Next, the portal will ask for your ticket details. You can search using your citation, also called a ticket number, or your case number. You'll usually find the citation number at the top of your paper ticket. The case number appears on court paperwork or notices. Enter what you have carefully, using the exact spelling of your name as it appears on the citation to help the system find the right record. When your case appears, take a moment to review it before paying. Confirm the violation details, match your ticket, check the total fine or balance due, and note the due date. If anything looks off, pause and contact the court rather than submitting a payment to the wrong case. Also, if the page indicates an appearance is required or mentions eligibility for alternatives like defensive driving school, follow those on-screen instructions before you pay. If everything looks correct, proceed to payment. The portal accepts major credit and debit cards and may list additional methods depending on the system in use. Be prepared for a small service or convenience fee, which is common for online payments. Enter your billing information exactly as it appears with your card issuer to avoid declines, and wait for the page to finish processing without refreshing your browser. After you see the confirmation screen, save proof of payment right away. Download the receipt if a button is provided, or take a clear screenshot that shows the date, amount, and confirmation number. If an email receipt is offered, enter a reliable email and keep that message for your records. That's it. Using the official Phoenix portal keeps your payment secure, accurate, and on time. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting this checked off your list.